Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we have started practice set 2.1 and we have solved question number 1 and question number 2. In question number 1, we have learnt how to identify whether the given equation is quadratic or not. And in second question, we have learnt how to find out the values of A, B and C. Okay. So in both the cases, we have made our equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is your standard form. Okay. So standard form is very important for solving equations. Now today we will learn how to identify whether the values are roots or not. Okay, that we are going to study. So let us start today's lecture. So students, let us start with question number 4 of practice set 2.1. You can see the question which I have written here. This is your equation and the value of x is given to you, and what you need to do, you need to determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation or not. So you can see here, what is your equation? X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, and you need to check whether x is equal to 1 is the root of this equation or not. Okay, so let us solve this. Okay, so for that purpose, what we are going to do, we are going to put x is equal to 1 in this equation. Okay, that is in LHS of this equation. This is what your LHS and this is your RHS. So we are going to put x value 1 in this equation and we will check whether we are getting 0 or not. So let us solve this. Okay, so for that purpose, see what I am writing. Putting x is equal to 1 in where? LHS. So putting x is equal to 1 in LHS. LHS means this. This is your LHS. That is x square plus 4x minus 5. In this LHS, you are going to replace x by 1. So let us do that. So LHS is equal to, okay, see, this is your LHS, so concentrate on this LHS, and in place of x you are going to write 1. That is what I have written here. So let us write, in place of x we have written 1, so 1 square is there, then plus sign 4. In place of x we are going to write 1 and 4 into 1 is there, so put bracket minus 5. Okay students, only we are putting in LHS. So let us simplify this. What is square of 1? 1 plus 4 1 ja 4 minus 5. Now this is 1 plus 4. What you are going to get? 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is what? 0. And 0 is what? Your right hand side. So that we can write, that is equal to RHS. So finally what we got here, therefore our LHS is equal to RHS. Since LHS is equal to RHS, that means x is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. So we can say that x is equal to 1 is the root of this equation. So finally that we are going to write, therefore x is equal to 1 is the root of given quadratic equation. Okay students, you will write full word, quadratic equation in full word. I am writing in short. So student understood how to check whether the values are root or not. Now we have to do same process for minus 1. Okay, so let me do this for you. So again we are going to follow same method. Now we are going to put x is equal to -1 and check whether it is root or not. So for second part, let us start with putting x is equal to -1 in LHS, that is left hand side. So in place of x we are going to put -1. So LHS is equal to, in place of x we are going to write -1. So -1 square plus 4 into -1 minus 5. See students, in place of x we have written -1 here and here also. Okay. Now what is the square of -1? Is 1. You know square is always positive. So -1 into -1 gives you 1. Now this is 4 into -1. So 4 minus 1 ja -4 minus 5. Now students see here, this is -4, this is -5. So you can add these two numbers, 4 plus 5 9 and minus sign is there. So 1 minus 9. What is 1 minus 9? Minus 8. Okay. Because bigger number is negative. So minus sign. Now in this case we got -1 and what was your RHS? 0 here. You can see here. So in this case we have not got 0. So that is what we are going to write, which is not equal to 0. So in this case we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. So LHS is not equal to RHS. That means in this case we are going to write our answer as x is equal to -1 is not the root. Okay. Is not the root of given quadratic equation of given quadratic equation. Okay, because we have not got here 0, that is why x is equal to -1 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Same way you are going to solve question number 2. Okay, so let me write the question first. 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0 and the value of m are 2 and 5 upon 2. Okay, so let us see how to solve this. First, what we are going to put, m is equal to 2 in LHS, and then we are going to put m is equal to 5 upon 2. So first let us put m equal to 2. Okay students, see, putting m is equal to 2 in LHS. So in this LHS we are going to put m is equal to 2. So let us see what we are getting. See, 2 is already there. Now in place of m we are going to write 2 square minus 5. In place of m we are going to write 2. Okay, let us see what we are getting. 2 into, what is square of 2? 4 minus 5 2 is a 10. Okay, now this is 2 into 4. So what you are going to get? 2 into 4? 8 minus 10. What is 8 minus 10? Minus 2. Okay, sign is different, so subtract and you will get minus 2. Now we got minus 2 and we wanted here 0. So we have not received 0 here. So in this case again we can write same thing. LHS is not equal to RHS. Now LHS is not equal to RHS. That means m is equal to 2 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now similarly for m is equal to 5 upon 2. So again we are going to do same thing, putting m is equal to 5 upon 2 in LHS. Now students, concentrate here. This is not simple. Let us see how to do this. First LHS we are going to write, and in place of m we are going to write 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 is square minus 5. In place of m, 5 upon 2. Okay, so what we did, you can see here, in place of m I have written 5 upon 2, so 5 upon 2 is square, then minus 5, then in place of m we have written 5 upon 2. Now let us simplify this. This is 2 into, now take square of 5, that is 25, and what is square of 2? 4, minus, here 5 5s are 25 upon 2. Okay, multiplication is straight, that is numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now you can see, students, here you can cancel this 2 with this 4. So this is 2 2s are 4. So what you got here? 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. So 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 gives you 0, because same minus same is 0 always, right? So in this case we got LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so what will be your final answer? Therefore we can say that m is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. So m is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Okay, students, so you can see here how to solve. I have solved 4 questions. Okay, understood? This is very simple, but students, follow the method. Remember, you are checking, so for that purpose always put in LHS and see whether you are getting your RHS or not. If you got LHS is equal to RHS, then your value is the root. If it is not equal to your RHS, then that value is not the root. Now students, remember, see what is the power of this? 2. So always remember, any quadratic equation has maximum 2 roots. Okay, so that means your equation may have 2 roots. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 5. So you can see, students, what is question number 5 here? Find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of this equation. Now see what is the meaning of this. X is equal to 3 is root of this equation. So already we are knowing that x is equal to 3 is solution of this. Okay, so in place of x, what we are going to put? 3. So by putting x is equal to 3, you can easily find out the value of k. Okay, similarly your 6th question is similar to 5th one, just like 5th one, but in this case we are given some activity, so we need to put the values in the boxes properly. So let us do that. First we are going to solve 5th one. Remember, 5th and 6th are similar question. Only the thing is that in 6th one you have to put only boxes, but in 5th question you have to solve your question. So let us solve first question, 5th one. So already we are given x is equal to 3 is a root of equation. So we are going to write this line first. So let us do that. Okay, students, see already I have written that line, that is x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equals to 0. Now since x is equal to 3 is root of this equation, so root means what? X is equal to 3 is solution of this line, this equation. So we can put this x value 3 in this equation. So let us see. Therefore we can say that x is equal to 3 satisfies above quadratic equation, right? Because this is root, that means we can put x is equal to 3, that means x is equal to satisfies this equation. So we are going to put x is equal to 3 in above equation. Therefore putting what? x is equal to 3. See students, in this case we are not going to put in LHS. Instead we are going to use the whole equation. That is, we are going to write the whole equation and in place of x we are going to write 3. So see how we are solving this. K into what is x? 3. So 3 square minus 10. What is x? 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So we are going to use this equation, and by using this we are going to find out value of k. Now see, this is k. Now what is square of 3? 9. So k into 9 minus what is 10 3s are 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is 9k minus, now see, this is not 30 plus 3, this is minus 30 plus 3. So this is negative, this is positive. So subtract. 30 minus 3 is what? 27. And your bigger number is negative, so your answer is negative. Okay? Understood now? This is not 30 plus 3. This is minus 30 plus 3. So subtract 3 from this 30, that is 27. And your bigger number is negative, so put minus sign here. Now transfer this 27 to right hand side. So minus 27 becomes 27. Now transfer this 9 to right hand side so that it becomes 27 upon 9. And you know 9 3s is 27. So finally you got your k value, that is 3. Okay. That is your answer. Okay. So in this way you are going to solve this equation. Now we are going to solve question number 6. So students, let us see what is the question first. Okay, one of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equals to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Then complete the following activity to find the value of k. So for this, first I am going to write this whole activity, and after that we are going to solve this. Okay students, see. Again see the question. Already I have written the solution. See what is the question. One of the roots of this equation, that is 5m square plus 2m plus k equals to 0, is minus 7 upon 5. So one root is minus 7 upon 5, and root means what? Solution. That is, in place of m we are going to write minus 7 upon 5. See what is written in the first box. Empty box is there, then is a root of the equation. So which one is root? Minus 7 upon 5. So in the box we are going to write minus 7 upon 5. Okay. So minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation. Now since minus 7 upon 5 is the root, that means in place of m we are going to write minus 7 upon 5. So here we have to write minus 7 upon 5. Now you are going to replace m by minus 7 upon 5. So here and here in these two places you are going to write minus 7 upon 5. So that is what I am going to write here. Minus 7 upon 5, 5 into, then plus 2 into, again same thing, minus 7 upon 5. Now see here, two boxes are there. Then what? Plus k. So plus k equal to 0 already there. So what is the answer of this? You know 2 7 ja is 14. So 14 upon 5 is there. Now you can see minus sign is there, and here plus is already there. So minus has to be there, that is here. Here we are going to put minus sign. Now in this box, see here, first thing is square is there, and you know square is always positive. So what is the square of 7? 49. And what is square of 5? 25. But 1 5 is there. So in this case, see here, I am going to explain this to you. See, 5 into, what is square of 7? 49 upon 25. Okay, so you have to cancel this 5. So what you are going to get? 49 upon 5. Okay, so in this box you are going to write 49 upon 5. Why? Because 7 square 49 is, it is okay. but 5 5s are 25 and 1 5 we are going to cancel, so that means we are remaining with 5 only. Okay, now see, plus sign is there, then 5 upon 5 is there. So this is 49. You can ignore this plus sign. So this is 49 minus 14. Got it, students? You have to solve these two boxes simultaneously. So for this, you can take this upon 5 common, and 49 minus 14 you have to do, because plus minus is minus. So 49 minus 14 is what? 35, right? So this is 35 upon 5. See, in this box you have to write proper answer. Okay, and 35 upon 5 is 35 upon 5 is what? 7. So 5 7 are. So finally you are going to write 7 here only. That is final answer. You have to write proper final answer. Then what? In the next step, transfer this 7 to right hand side, so that you are getting minus 7. So students, if you want, you can do your intermediate step in rough, and then finally you have to write your final answer only. Okay, so students, understood this question? Again I am repeating for you. First thing is what? Minus 7 upon 5 is this, is the root of this equation. Then place m equal to minus 7 upon 5. Then what is the square of minus 7 upon 5? 49 upon 5. Got how we got? Because we have cancelled 1 5. Then 49 minus 14 gives you 35, and 35 upon 5 gives you 7. Then transfer this 7. So in this way we have completed our first exercise of quadratic equation. Now in the next class we will learn how to solve quadratic equation. Okay, so till now we have completed practice set 2.1, and in the next class we will start practice set 2.2. and remember, you should remember all the formulae which I have given you in the previous class. That is important for solving next exercise. Okay, all those formulae, that is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, and all. Okay, now bye, take care students.